Hello and welcome to another TA Tech Tip. In this tech tip, we will indicate how to switch between probes and how to calibrate the selected probe on the Q400 thermomechanical analyzer. The type of probe you choose depends upon the type of testing information you need. The expansion and macro expansion probes can be used to determine coefficient of thermal expansion CTE, as well as glass transition temperature and compression modulus. The penetration probe has a small tip that sinks into the material as it is heated. This probe is used to determine glass transition, softening, and melting points. To switch between probes, raise the furnace. You can do it from the screen of the instrument or from the instrument control software by selecting Control, Furnace, Open. Rotate the furnace to the left to move it off to the side. The current probe installed is macro expansion. To remove the probe, open the door of the weigh tray. Hold the probe with one hand and with the other hand, hold the weigh tray in the upper corner to keep it still and unscrew the locking lever by turning it counterclockwise approximately one turn. Take out the probe carefully. The probe to be installed is the penetration probe. Insert the end of the probe into the opening in the back of the stage. Hold the weigh tray in the upper corner and continue lowering the probe into the stage until you feel it sit in the locking mechanism. Tighten the probe locking lever by turning it clockwise. Anytime you change probes, you need to calibrate the installed probe. To calibrate the probe from the TA instrument control software, select Calibrate, Probe, select the type of probe you will use, and click Calibrate. The probe calibration will be completed and saved. In this TA Tech Tip, we have determined how to switch between probes and how to calibrate the installed probe. Please subscribe for more helpful tips from TA Instruments, and thank you for your interest.